Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Face Unlock not working on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So, first things first, take a microfiber and clean the front camera lens. Next thing is to go into the settings, scroll down to biometrics and security, face recognition, and then remove face data and register your face once again. Remember to register your face in good lighting during the setup and use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.